This is Cubot P50, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your display in order for this notification and control center to be launched. Next, long press at the Wi-Fi shortcut. At the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of. I'll simply go with the one that I'm currently connected to. And once at the network details page, tap on the share icon. And as you can see, this very page, the share Wi-Fi page to be exact, will contain the actual Wi-Fi network password right over here, as well as the QR code that can be used in order for any another device to be automatically connected to the chosen network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.